Don't overpay. Use our cubic meter calculator for an accurate moving quote. Hey movers! Are you planning a move but not sure how much space you really need? Don't worry, Harry the Mover has your back. Let's talk about the cubic meter calculator and how it can save you money and stress. What is a cubic meter? A cubic meter is a way to measure space. It's like the room your stuff takes up in the moving truck. Knowing your cubic meters helps you get the right quote and the right truck. Why it matters when moving house. If you don't measure right, you might pay for space you don't need, or worse, not have enough room for your stuff. That's why using a cubic meter calculator is so important when moving house. Use cubic meter calculator free tool. Go to online free tools and try easy cubic meter calculator. Just add your items, and it does the math for you. Tips for maximizing cubic meters. 1. Disassemble big furniture. 2. Pack items tightly. 3. Use stackable boxes. This helps you fit more into less space and lowers your cost. Moving doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. Use cubic meter calculator, plan smart, and get an accurate moving quote every time. Harry the Mover, move smarter, pay fair. Need help with your move? Contact Harry the Mover today and move with confidence. Like, share and subscribe for more moving tips.